super cold, so I wanted to start like a cozy morning vibe. That's why I put up a fireplace. I had my coffee there, and now I'm gonna go prep for lunch. I'm making a salad, and it's basically the Olive Garden house salad that they always serve, and I'm gonna make crispy tofu on the side in my air fryer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I had basically some leftover romaine and tofu, so that's what I'm gonna use before it goes bad. I'm gonna show you the recipe. It's super simple, it's not much ingredients, and it's very quick. Making homemade croutons, so it's going in the oven while I make the salad and the tofu. For tofu, I have pan-cooked breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add lemon pepper seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, and ground white pepper. Let's see. I'm gonna be making this combination for the first time, so I'm hoping it should be good. This is what I'm adding. Everything in here. And we got the Great Value chicken dipping sauce from Walmart, so that's what we're gonna have it with. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be super crispy. Garlic powder. Yep, that's good. And if you don't have the lemon pepper seasoning, I think it's gonna be fine. You can just use it with all the other ingredients. Just mix it. Alright, this is how they look, and they're gonna go in the air fryer. I'm gonna add olives to my salad, and then this is the dressing we're gonna use. Olive Garden signature Italian dressing, some Parmesan cheese, and to dip our tofu in this sauce. Croutons are all done, and let's see the tofu. Oh, look at that! My God, looks yummy. Salad has only lettuce, or like romaine, onion, tomato, croutons, and now I'm gonna add the dressing. And some Parmesan cheese. Mix it, and this salad is all ready. All right, look at that salad. Ooh, yum. It's ready, and look at the crispy tofu, my God, and the chicken dipping sauce. I added olives to my salad, and this is what our lunch looks like today. Alright guys, so plans for the evening is that we are going out with Nish and Ashley to eat sushi. I forgot the tasu, I think it's called tasu. because if you guys have seen yesterday's vlog, you know how the failed Valentine dinner was. So that's why Nidish wants to make up for Ashley basically, so that she could enjoy our dinner tonight. So that's what we are going to with them. And
all right, here we are for a makeup Valentine dinner because Ashley couldn't eat anything literally. And this is chicken lettuce wrap.
I think
and
this is gonna be better.
The dumplings.
I have a strong feeling
dumplings.
this is gonna be good.
So we are super excited to start with that. Okay, our sushi is here, and the momos were really good. So we are excited to try it. One is veggie sushi, and one is, what was the other one?
Shiki crunch.
Shiki crunches with some shrimp and stuff inside. So, oh boy, this is my pad thai, and they got some fried rice with, what is this?
Basil duck.
This is basil duck, and ooh, look at that.
Look at the basil. Yeah.
Babe, are you excited?
Just try the duck.
Are you full?
Mm-hmm.
How was
Very
your
full.
makeup V-day dinner?
Very good. Very good.
You full?
Yes, very full.
Everything is gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Not really.
This we are saving to go take home and eat. So see, we have saved like some of everything to take it home and eat it.